Welcome to this feature tutorial on iMBrace CommsIQ, which provides multimodal communication capabilities. To start, we navigate to Channels in the iMBrace portal. Here, you can see all the supported communication channels, such as Web Widget, Facebook, WhatsApp, and more. Next, let's look at the Conversations tab. This shows a feed of ongoing conversations, where you can easily see messages and associated business card scans. The CommsIQ CRM with AI feature automatically captures and organizes contact information from business cards. This shows how a business card sent via WhatsApp is processed. The AI extracts details, verifies the information, and creates a new contact record in the CRM. In the Campaign section, you can see how business card scanning is set up as an active campaign, including tracking metrics like clicks and scans. Start your growth with iMBrace. Scan the QR code to learn more, and follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube.